Claraplatz, you know. Not only that, but it is also known for drugs as well, which means like people who are also selling drugs. I mean, so this is the place most of the people will also stand like during the summer times, you know, to do their things as well. This is where you can buy drugs if you are in Basel. I mean, I had that. I'm not from Basel, you know, but I had that like in this place here during the summertime, Claraplatz. I mean, here you always have a lot going on, you know. Rice field in the city center of Basel. Guys, check out this, you know. I was just walking around here. I mean, I was in here like for the past, I don't know, 1 month or something like that. And I just came. Look at this. This is a rice field. Look at this. I believe this is a rice. Oh, can someone just correct me? Like, check out this. This here is in the city center, you know. So they just put like this rice here on this, like on this wood box here, you know. Man, this is something really nice. Check out this in the city center, you know, where you can also grow food. I mean, this is just something amazing. Look, I have never seen something like this, you know. I mean, since I came to Europe, like most of the public places are with flowers, you know, or maybe other sorts of things, but something like this, look at this, bro. They are just growing rice. I mean, I don't even know like who is growing this rice here, you know, but they are just genius. To be honest, they are just genius. And here is the Meseplatz here in Basel, and so this is where this thing is located. Guys, this thing is just genius. Trust me, I don't know, like, you know, like who is just responsible for this rice field here, you know, but this is just genius. I mean, the small place that you have, you can also use it, you know, like to cultivate something. You can also use it, you know, to do something about it. And they have like more of these woods. Maybe they are going to, you know, like put so much here, whereby, you know, it can also be rice fields. And there you have water. I mean, abundance of water, which is also something really nice. Unfortunately, we don't have that, I mean, back home, but hopefully one day, you know, we will also have that. So I am just here to meet someone, and so the person is coming right now. I don't know, but yeah, this is just really nice. And then there you also have a big picture of this rice. Nice. This is just really nice, you know. I mean, I think like something like this, if you are able to do these things, you know, to grow rice in the middle of nowhere, I mean, like in a city center, whereby instead of putting flowers and everything else, but you have rice, which is really nice. And there, it's really cold. And here you have abundance of water. Check out this. How cool is this? And by the way, it is Sunday today, but you still have the public transportation going on. As you can see over there, the trams are just working 24 hours a day. I wish we could have something like this back home as well, but hopefully someday, I mean, if we do have great leadership, you know, or I can just go myself, you know. How about that? So over there you have these trucks parking aside, and it is Sunday, that's why like all the places are quiet right now, but you still have traffic going on. I mean, you still have people walking. There you have a tram stop. Check out this place, check out this building. So even it is Sunday, you know, but you still have transportation going, running here within the city. It is Sunday here, but places are still open. I mean, just check out this bike. Look at this bicycle here. The price is 1,999 euros. Guys, could you imagine just the price of a bicycle? And then you have that other bike there. The price is 5,999. So the new price of that bicycle was at 9,999, which is like 10,000 euros. Guys, this is just insane. Just the price of a bicycle, I mean, 10,000 euros. This is just insane. I mean, I don't know like how many of you are going to pay a lot of money for such things, just one bicycle, like 10,000 euros almost. Sorry, 10,000 Swiss francs. That is just crazy. And then here you have like a shops, a second-hand shops, where you have different phones, and yeah, this is so this is the street where I am right now. And then you can also see like the public transportation is also going on right now, and you have these houses all in some colorful. So here is a second-hand shop. On this second-hand shop here you see this iPhone here, 16 gigabytes, I think iPhone 5. Then it costs like 50 Swiss franc, I believe. And then here you have this one also, which is like 128 gigabyte, costs like 400 Swiss franc. And this one like 800 Swiss franc. Guys, before I will spend like that amount of money on a phone, let me just go and do some. I mean, like I have never spent so much amount of money on a phone right now. And here you also have like this small laptop here, which is like a 512 gigabytes. Yeah, 16 gigabyte RAM, so which also costs like a 900 Swiss franc. I mean, like since I know myself, it's like I have never spent so much money, whether on a phones, or the only things like I have spent much money on, that was on a laptop, but like apart from that laptop, like I didn't spend much money on phone, something like that. Hello. So you see, I mean, it's Sunday, but yeah, life is still going on here, There is a machine where you can buy tickets. Oh, I don't know which place is this, but over there you have a lot of people standing there, and at the other sides also the shops were also open. I mean, like even though it is Sunday, but places are still open just like any other normal day. Check out this small guy here. I mean, back home, like the way we drink water is the same way that people drink alcohol here, Here alcohol is just like a drinking water, Everything that people do is with alcohol. Check out this place. Oh, I think this is a money exchange. Here you have like different countries where you can send money. Oh, here you even have here like Mali. That's really nice. And there you also have a small restaurants, probably from some foreign restaurants, I mean. And over there is a gym. So this place here, it's called Claraplatz. And then at the back there you have a restaurant, I mean, which also has the name Claraplatz. I'm not quite sure if it is because of that restaurant, I mean, they named this place, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, everyone like who lives here in Basel, I mean, like they will tell you a lot about this place here particularly, because here normally you have like a lot of people during the weekends, like who will just come to this particular place here and chill. I mean, and then it is also like a big Johnson over this cross there, whereby you can have different type of transport, I mean, to different type of directions as well here in Basel, So during summer, I mean, there is always a police presence at this place as well, called Claraplatz. So there you have a church. I mean, for those of you who wants to pray, if you are a Christian, then here might be the best place for you, because most of the people here are not religious to start with, Like I think like that is throughout the Europe is like that. Like most of the peoples are not religious to start with, so which means like that if you are too much religious, I mean, like people even just try to stay away from you somehow, because they think like you are just trying to influence them, like you are just trying to teach them something that they are not willing to accept, So yeah. This is where you can buy drugs if you are in Basel. I mean, I had that. I'm not from Basel, but I had that like in this place here during the summertime, Claraplatz. I mean, here you always have a lot going on. You always have a lot of people standing here, like drug dealers, people who also drink as well, because it is also a Johnson at that place there, like whereby you have public transport to different directions, here in Basel as well. So anyone who is from Basel, they will tell you about this place, they know this place. So that is the church. Everywhere in Europe you have churches, but people don't pray. I mean, people don't even want to hear about God. So this here, it's Claraplatz. I mean, like most of the people who lives here in Basel, they definitely know this place here, because it is a place, like for like a public transportations, which means like you can have public transportation in this place here, basically to everywhere here in Basel. So most of the people know this place here, Claraplatz. Not only that, but it is also known for drugs as well, which means like people who are also selling drugs. I mean, so this is the place most of the people will also stand like during the summer times, to do their things as well. So if you are in Basel, you will definitely know this place, or you will definitely know at least what I am talking about.